slant line up from the baseline blue going upside and taking a turn, come back on the same line and make a C. Extend this line up till the blue line, come down on the same line and pull a tail out. We will be making 4 such patterns. If you have to make a straight A, you will be starting with slant line, make a curve, come down on once you reach the middle point between the 2 blue lines, you will take a curve, and here you're going to extend this part. Please observe, I'm showing with green color. You're going to extend this part and then go up straight and come down straight on the same line. So in this case, if you extend this line further, this is going to be a straight line and this will be a slant line which is intersecting the opposite line. So this gives you straight A. Whereas in this case, you will observe that once you have covered 3/4 part between the 2 blue lines, you then take a turn here. And in this case, you just take a small curve and you start moving upwards in a slant way. Okay, that is how you are able to get a slant A. And in this case, this line is parallel to this line and both of them are at same angles. So this will help you getting a slant cursive A. Let us see some mistakes to be avoided while making the letter A. If one leaves the head of the A open in this manner, it is sign of being talkative. Sometimes we unintentionally tend to make a loop on the left side or even in this manner. Even this loop is on the left side. This is sign of self-deceit. If one makes a broad A in this manner, this is sign of being lazy. There is one more kind of A which needs to be avoided, wherein when you take a slant line and you do not take a curve and just come down on the same line and complete the loop and come down. So this gives a pointed appearance to the A on the top. So even this A has to be avoided. The best one is when you make an A which is complete without any open head and has no hoops and loops on the right and left side is sign of honesty. So the all these have to be avoided. That's all for today. To watch the videos in series, kindly like and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Till then, happy writing!